Hello friends, this is the video which I am going to make, which is last in astrofinance. Okay, so I will not be making any videos after this. There is a reason for that because whenever I make any video, okay, so when I go in a flow, okay, so sometimes I explain in over exaggerated way. So at that time, what happens, so YouTube will AI will find that as a tool and remove the video or give the uh, signal to remove. Okay, so to avoid those problems, so I'm making this video as a last video. Please watch this completely and understand how astrofinance work in the market. So last 2 weeks I have made video how it was worked. So you might have seen. Same way, you also observe the prediction which I am going to give right now in a piece of paper and write it how accurate it was, what went wrong, what went right. Tomorrow is the real testing day for the Nifty. I will tell you why. Okay. Please note, I'm not a SEBI-registered research analyst, but I'm an NISM certified equity derivative analyst and also financial goal planner, NIC certified. Okay. So what I'm going to help you, not only for intraday and day-to-day trading, so I can help you for proper financial goal setup in mutual funds and investment for long-term, short-term, and all those things. Okay. So there is something which works in the stock market that is called time cycle. Based on time cycle, I do study and update as per my knowledge. This is a knowledge sharing session. If you want to learn complete about this, please read my book, which is published in Amazon. That's the e-book. Please read that. At least you read first 5 chapters. You will understand how the market works. Okay. So let's start. Please do subscribe to channel and share with your friends so that people can understand how actually the market can be predicted using astrofinance. Okay. So first I will share you the screen and tell you how the technical parameters of the Nifty. Okay. So we'll talk about Nifty first. You know the news. The Strait of Hormuz is closed now. So when market given this kind of rally on Friday, Strait of Hormuz was open. Crude oil fell 1,000 points. Okay. So suddenly today, yesterday we are getting a news that Strait of Hormuz is not open, it is closed, and 2 Indian vessels have sent back. Okay. Now this is the bad news for the market. So, but what is the good news? So good news is Astrofinance says market is bullish. But bad news is global news. So now this is the challenge for tomorrow, how it is going to take the market, how it is going to work. If I see in technical parameters, this is a daily candlestick pattern. See, this is the strong resistance what Nifty is having, 24,404. And strong support is 24,116. Okay. If market opens gap up, okay. Suppose if market open gap up, okay. Suddenly reversal might come and it might touch this level. As per the technical analysis and global news, I am saying I am not saying that it is going to work like this only. Okay. But as per common people thinking and as per the technical analysis, as per the world fundamental analysis, what it says, if gap up opens, suddenly market will fall. Or gap down open means it will take the support at this level. That is 2400. Okay, this is the bottom. Okay, so you see here, this is the bottom. Okay, so here it might take 2495. It might take support. Now, whatever the levels which you see here, there is a weekly resistance, month resistance, weekly support. And there is something called yearly support. Until unless market goes above this level, it will not be bullish. This is as per the technical. And maximum where it can go up to 24,648. Maximum 24,648 or 24,600. Okay. And bottom where it might go, maximum up to weekly resistance, that is 23,867, 23,950 kind of range. Okay. So that is the reason whenever this kind of scenario is going on, you should always hedge the trade with call and put both. Okay. Like long setup you need to do, or short setup if you do also, you have to have a proper hedge. This is the technical. Okay. So now based on this, you can analyze bank Nifty and other things, whatever you want, you can do that. Sorry, there is a mistake here, I think. 1 second, let me check this. Okay, so this is Nifty or Bank Nifty and Nifty. It's perfect. Okay, now I will do analysis for the Bank Nifty. Okay. So Bank Nifty, if you see, the yearly support is at 57,587. And you see, this is the strong support, 55,835. Technically, I am saying, okay, if market opens above this, it might go up to 57,109. Okay, these are the levels you need to note. If gap down happens, it will take support at 55,847 or this level at 55,753. And below this, market will reach to 55,031. Okay, these levels, make a note, and these are very important levels to note and trade for your trading journey. Okay, so this you need to observe this week. Whatever I am going to say now, please take pen and paper. I request you, and make a note of each and every day what I am going to say now as per the Astrofinance. Reason is, this is my last video. I am not going to make any video on this Astrofinance because this is my third video and there is a problem in the system that these videos will be removed. Hence, I am telling you, watch as early as possible, share with your friends as fast as possible, and don't miss this. Okay. Now I am going to come to a very important point, that is Astrofinance. Okay. So I have made a PPT on this. So I'll explain everything. Okay. So fasten your belt and get ready. Weekly trading playbook, April 22 24, 2026. Okay. So it is Monday to Friday. Astrological market intelligence, intraday tactical timings. Okay. So based on this, the structural setup, that is Vikram Samvatsar 2083. Jupiter, the structure catalyst. Role, Raja, the king, wealth lord and metals lord. Market impact, creates a structurally bullish backdrop. Drives wealth creation, themes and safe haven accumulation. So each dip is an accumulation zone as per the Jupiter. Key risk, overconfidence bubbles if momentum overextends. Okay, so your overconfidence may come down if the bubble overextends. Now there is Mars, then Mangal, the operator, the Mantri, the minister, injects targeted tactical volatility, engineers upside in select sectors required action. Current state, congestion with Saturn creates pressure cooker karmic volatility. Okay, congestion with Saturn is creating a pressure cooker karmic volatility. Then Mercury, that is Buddha, the sentiment engine, Dhanyadipati, crops, king of crops. Market impact, modulates high frequency trading psychology, data flows and communication. Current state, approaching combustion, fogs retail sentiment and creates operator illusions. Approaching combustion, fogs retail sentiment and creates operator illusion. Then Moon, the liquidity commander, Senadipati, the commander, king, minister, Dhanyadipati and Senadipati. Okay. Modulates fear and greed thresholds, drives emotional herd behavior based on the daily placement. Okay. These are the 4 planets you need to watch out for this week. So the cycle of liquidity, April 20 to 24 narrative is accumulation phase, constructive greed, smart money buying in Jupiter theme. Fear is subdued. There is a fear, but it is subdued. Turbulence and intelligence, disciplined aggression, volatile probing, emotional resets and operator traps. Expansion pace, peak confidence, structural bullishness and broad market growth via Jupiter. Defensive phase, emotional clinging, profit taking, caution and post exits. These 4 things going to happen in this week. Okay. Turbulence, intelligence, disciplined aggression, volatility, volatile probing, emotional resets and operator traps. Okay. Operator, you know who is the big operator now. Okay. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Market sentiment, greed versus fear. Second is volatility, beta. Now, asset class, resonance matrix. Asset class is Nifty. Dominant ruler is Jupiter and Moon. Weekly volatility low and medium. Structural bullish, broad accumulation, buy high quality dips. Whenever there are dips comes, you should buy. This is as per the Astrofinance. This is not the financial recommendation for you guys. You need to do all these homework and write it in a piece of paper and understand how it works first before taking any action. Okay. Bank Nifty, again, the dominant is Jupiter and Moon. The weekly volatility will be medium, strong bullish, financial close, anchored early week, defensive late week. Mid cap Nifty, Mars, Mercury, volatility will be very high. Selective probes, watch for beta swings, Tuesday, Wednesday, vulnerable to Friday profit taking. Gold, Jupiter and Sun, low volatility, safe haven, strong Jupiter close, floor provides steady accumulation all week. Silver, Moon dominance, medium to high volatility, sentiment swings, track daily lunar liquidity, high volatility, volatile spikes. Crude oil, Mars and Saturn, volatility will be very high. You saw already. Pressure releases, volatile upside bias early week, risk of by Friday. Okay, this is about the sectors, asset class, which we are talking about coming week. Now, weekly sector rotation heat map. So, banking, Monday, it says up, Tuesday up, Wednesday sideways, Thursday up, Friday sideways or bearish. Strategic overlay, Jupiter, Nirshadipati ensures metals remain structurally supported all week. IT energy requires surgical intraday, entire strictly aligned with the Wednesday, Tuesday planetary triggers. Metals up, Tuesday also, Wednesday you see sideways, Thursday, Friday also up. Auto and reality completely weak, up, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday sideways, Thursday, Friday again up. Energy and PSU, Monday down, Tuesday up, Wednesday down, Thursday down, Friday down. So you know which sector you need to focus, which stocks you need to focus. IT and technology, you see 4 days bearish, 1 day bullish. Pharma, 3 days bearish, 1 day bullish, 1 day sideways. FMCG, Monday will be bullish, Tuesday will be bearish, and again Wednesday, Thursday, Friday will be bullish. Okay. So these are the things you need to note. Now come to 20th April, that is Monday tomorrow. What is going to happen? Vital states sentiments bullish. Shukla Tithi, Nakshatra Rohini, Yoga, Saubhagya, Moon in Taurus. Okay. Moon in Taurus is very important. And Nakshatra Rohini also bullish. Okay. The smart money insight, fear is subdued, greed is constructive. Smart money chases tangible value in Jupiter ruled themes, a classical bullish trap for the bears. Stable lunar placement surpasses panic, avoid fresh shots. So sector targets, banking, reality, you know this already. Okay. So how to trade? Momentum. Okay. So 950 to 920 red zone, avoid entries. 945 to 1103 green zone, buy on dips. 1103 to 1158 yellow zone, caution. 1158 to 2 o'clock, that is bright green zone, peak power. And 2 o'clock to 347, almost the market will close in red zone. So this is for, you can say, for crude oil or other things. Okay. So intraday timing, you note this timing and accordingly you plan. Now Tuesday. See, normally what happens? Many people will tell you what happened yesterday, why, what support, from where it rejected, where you have traded on, all those things. That is called backtesting and backward calculation and all those things. We are discussing about the forward things. We are talking about tomorrow, what is going to happen. It is next to impossible for anyone to judge the market in advance. That is also 1 week before. Like this, you can predict the market even 1 month before, 1 year before. Okay, but for that you need to learn, you need to understand how this works first of all. Okay, it took 4 years for me to understand all these things. Hence, I am requesting each one of you to learn this first, then implement, backtest it, practice it. If you get a strong confirmation, then only go ahead. Otherwise, you follow what you are following. Okay. So vital status sentiment. So Mangaleshwar, that's Mars, Moon, Taurus in Gemini, trigger Mars conjunct Saturn. Institutional accumulation in energy metal. Okay, this you know. So which stock sectors will be bullish. So what will happen on Tuesday? So early caution, 9:15 to 9:30 time. Early caution, yellow zone. And after 9:40, bright green zone, peak power up to 1 o'clock. Okay. So profit booking might come at 12:31 or 1 o'clock. Okay. So I am giving you advanced time also. Moon shift. Okay. Taurus to Gemini. Okay. Here it will be sideways. Then green zone again. Then end of the day. So that means entire day it will be green. Okay. Hero zero kind of setup market. Okay. especially for Nifty expiry. So this you need to match with the indicator which I have given to you, that is God-gift indicator, and also RM-Gann indicator and Mind Pro indicator. If you mix all three indicators, at least two indicators, your success ratio, win ratio will be better. Wednesday, 22nd, that is April, vital statistics and sentiment. Budhvara, Nakshatra Ardra, Punarvasu. Okay, so morning 9 o'clock, so yellow zone. So 9:30 onwards again green, and 12 to 12:37 red up to 283, and after that again green. Okay, so mornings market might go up and become sideways to bearish. Then again after it is not 283, it's 253. Okay, after 253 or 3 o'clock, it might come to green zone 350 intraday timing ribbon. This is which I have explained. Okay, late recovery possible in the night also due to Punarvasu. Okay, come to Thursday. So that is 23rd. This is Guruvara, Punarvasu, Nakshatra, Sarvata Siddhi Yoga, Gemini, Karka, banking, metals, auto, FMCG sector you need to focus. Morning, Gulika, bleed. Okay, so peak auspicious power from 9:33 to 2 o'clock, and 2:12 to 3 o'clock, avoid fresh entries. So this is for crude oil you can consider, not for the Nifty, Bank Nifty. So sectors, what you need to do, you need to know. Okay, broad market growth driven by Jupiter, institutional accumulation value, market structure rewards, disciplined bulls buying dips over chasing noise. Protest profits aggressively after the 3:15 lunar shift. Okay, now come to the last date, that is Friday, Friday, the weekend. Vital statistics. So cautious, sideways to bearish. Okay, Ashtami, Tithi, Yoga Shukla. Okay, Vara Shukruvara, so Moon Karka, and smart money inside, classic distribute phase, Shukla pressures, Shula pressure, Karka Moon activate, defensive psychology, operator engine selective dips for value buying, not broad euphoria. Bears get short-term traps, protect profit first. So morning it will be green, after that red. Okay, so 11:42, 155 again it says green. Okay, so after 3:15 it might be bearish. Okay, so but if you see Friday also it looks like bullish, but you need to be cautious. Okay, so this is all about Monday to Friday. So weekly risk management synthesis, how you need to do. Rahu illusion traps mechanism. Rahu Ketu axis remains latent but highly active during daily Rahu columns. Never initiate breakout trades during Rahu column. Assume midday spikes, that is Wednesday and Friday, are operator driven illusions designed to trap late retail capital. Okay, how operator behaves, how do they hit the stop loss, that you need to manage on Wednesday and Friday. And second protocol, what you need to follow, managing Jupiter excess mechanism. Jupiter overarching structural dominance creates high floor but risk overconfidence bubble. Action: do not chase parabolic momentum in metals or banking. Wait for early morning Nakshatra Yoga shift to establish support before deploying capital. Protocol 3, the Mars-Saturn karmic pressure mechanism. Congestion in Pisces creates latent pressure in liquids. Energy and PSU trades must be treated as highly tactical, beta-heavy pulses. Do not hold structurally. So final directive, planetary movements do not just set direction. They modulate trader fear and greed thresholds, survive the turbulence to capture the Jupiter expansion. Okay, so this is all about coming week projections. So as per this, if you go and check, if the bullish means Nifty, Bank Nifty might go to 57,600. From here, the reversal might come. It might take 3 days to reach over here. So that you need to watch out. And the Nifty 50 also, you need to ensure what is the target. Okay, that is you need to select here Nifty instead of Nifty Bank to get the exact level. Okay, please note of all these levels which I explained right now. Okay, without fail. Okay, now this is the thing. So yearly support is here up to 24,786 might go, or it might come back from here. So or it might start falling below this level also. Okay. So based on these prediction as per the astrofinance and technical analysis, please follow. And you know how we have been able to capture the crude oil yesterday in live trading. You might have checked that also. Please check that if you have not checked. And do subscribe to channel. And don't forget to share with your friends, because this is my last video on astrofinance. After this kind of videos you will not get. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.